Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make the portable smelting furnace in Astroneer. This is going to be especially useful if you want to travel around with your vehicle and store some materials that you want to smelt alongside your journey. So to get it, first of all, we'll need to get the trade platform. Here inside of this trade platform you can find the portable smelting furnace for 8 pieces of astronium. Now, first of all, to get the trade platform, you want to open up your research tab, go to the medium printer, scroll to the second row, and on the third position, here you'll find the trade platform. Go ahead and unlock it, and here you'll need to have an exo chip, 1 iron and 1 tungsten. Exo chip can be gathered from exploding exo caches around the map, around planets, using dynamite, which is crafted from explosive powder. Then iron can be gathered from some planets as hematite, which can then be smelted inside of the smelting furnace. And lastly, tungsten can also be gathered from some planets to get wolframite, and which is also smelted, and then you can craft the trade platform. And to get astronium, it is recommended that you have a large rover with a drill and a paver, and you need to get to the core of the planet where you'll find the astronium, which is going to look like these kind of greenish blobs. So just put 8 pieces of astronium on this trade platform, and once you click this green button right here, it is going to take exactly 45 seconds until it is going to come back, this rocket, and you'll have the portable smelting furnace in there. So this is pretty much all, how to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.